A lot of people have been in my DM asking me what I take as my morning routine. So I said to myself, why not make a video so others can learn? Hi guys, it's your girl Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but guys, it's been very hectic for me because of work. So here in this video, I want to show you how you can actually detoxify your system, take off excess calories, and it will also take out excess toxin from your body. So guys, I'll be making use of this green tea you're seeing on your screen as one of the ingredients that I'll be using. Also, this tea you can see is actually very cheap. You can get it anywhere around you, in the supermarket or in any mall close to you. In my area, I bought it for 2,800 naira. So one of the benefits of this green tea is it takes out excess toxin, it reduces excess fat from the body, and also if you're someone that likes taking lots of calories, food that is rich in calories, it will reduce every excess calories in your body. So all I'm just going to do is put it inside my mug, as you can see, and pour in my hot water. But first of all, I'm going to use this slime.
So guys, now I'm going to be cutting this lime into 2 equal halves. I'll be keeping one part. I'll be making use of just one for the purpose of this video.
Right now, I'm going to squeeze in the half into my mug and pour in my hot water. Then give it a little stir and take it.
So for a fact, this tea you're seeing here would help your body function properly. Trust me, if you're making this tea, you're going to be looking so young, flawless, your skin will be so smooth.
So guys, this tea also aids digestion and respiratory tract. If you're someone that is so allergic to cold, green tea will help you. When you wake up in the morning, you take it before you have your meal or before you have any other thing, your cup of tea. But please guys, make sure you take this green tea. If you're watching this video to this point, it means you love my video, you love my content, and what I do. Please support your girl. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. It's free, please. And please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything you want to know more about this tea and or any other videos you've watched. You feel you have a question to ask or you're confused about anything, I'm here to assist you, answer any question of your choice. And also guys, don't forget to take this tea because it's very effective and you'll like it. Try and get this tea from your local store, but if you have, please go ahead and make this tea and have it. Then drop in the comment section how you felt.
So lovelies, I've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye.